This wonderful child was a part of the Holy Prophet's beautiful family. Along with her family, parents and other children, she learned from her father, Imam Hussein, how to help others and treat elders with respect. All her life, she had seen nothing but beauty. She had seen nothing but the delicacy of flowers and birds in the nature around her. If someone would torture the flowers in front of her, she would get upset. Her name was Ruqqaya, and her father's name was Hussein, the great Imam. She was always with her father. They were never separated from each other, no matter where they went. She had brothers and sisters who lived and played with her. The sad day arrived when the little daughter saw the luggage being packed. The family were packing whatever goods they had, and the camels were being loaded. She was surprised to see all of this. At that time, her father told her that they were going on a journey. Imam Hussein ordered the caravan to move. At that time, the women were seated and they left for the journey. Lady Zainab, her sisters and her brothers were with her. The caravan traveled long deserts and plains. When they came near rivers or wells, they would fill their bags with water. After a long journey, they reached their destination, which was Karbala. They reached there and pitched their tents. Horses and camels rested in the desert, and children and women rested in the cool tents. There was a river near them, and they used it to fill their jugs with water. Lady Ruqqaya did not know what was going to happen. When Lady Ruqqaya was near the river with her sisters and brothers, terrible sounds started coming from a distance. Innumerable black horses were seen, and they became very afraid. Her mother hugged Ruqqaya and told her not to be afraid, but her heart was beating fast. Ruqqaya was standing and watching the horrible scene. Her mother was covering her eyes so that Ruqqaya would not see this incident. The number of horses was increasing with every minute. Ruqqaya was looking at them and moved towards her father. He took her in his arms and caressed her affectionately. The black horses arrived. Their numbers were very high. Ruqqaya was very nervous, but Imam Hussein told them to go to the tents, and Ruqqaya obeyed her father. But she was very scared.